Thursday, February 29, 2024. Focus. The rich man in Hades being in torment. Jesus depicts graphically what happens to people who immerse themselves in the pleasures of this world, ignoring the hungry and the homeless. The nameless rich man burns in Hades because he was unmindful of his neighbor. Perhaps he had not committed other sins, but only had a selfish attitude. Jeremiah also reminds us that we are cursed if we make flesh our strength and let our heart turn away from the Lord. We see this big gap between the haves and the have-nots in every country, especially our own. People who listen to the inner voice will always share and do all they can for others. Many of us, however, are focused on self and hardly see the sufferings of others. If we do notice, we quickly avert our eyes and continue to enjoy life at the expense of the poor. There are 37,000 children on the streets in Mumbai, out of which a large percentage go to bed hungry. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed, said Gandhi. If we had any feeling for others, we would extend a helping hand towards those in need, physically, give food or shelter, emotionally, bring peace, spiritually, help them find God. The Lord's grace will help us give of our resources or leisure in order to help, to listen, to share. Fruit. Today, I will find 3 ways of caring.